Okay, so today's question is minimum changes to make alternating binary string. So you are given a string as consisting only of the characters 0 and 1. In one operation you can change any 0 to 1 or vice versa. This string is called alternating if no two adjacent characters are equal. So for example 0 1 0, this is alternating 0 then 1 then 0 is alternating, while 0 1 1 0 is not, and we have to return the minimum number of operation needed to make as alternative to make this given string alternative. So as we know, it only contains 0 and 1, so either it can be in the form 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, or it can be in the form 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So we will try both type of possible string. One is starting with 0, one is starting with 1, and then we will return the minimum of both. So let's try to code this. So first n is equal to take n is equal to len of s. You can set answer is equal to 0. Now simply go through the loop. So for I in range n, get a value expected. What will be the expected one? Okay, what will be the expected if our form is of this, if our string is of this form 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so expected will be 0 if I modulus 2 is equal to 0, else 1. So if for the first one, at all the even indices we have the 0, so expected will be 0 for all the even indices, else 1. And what will be the expected 2? Expected 2 will be, okay, so what will be the expected 2 will be 1. Okay, here if I modulus 2 is equal to 0, else 0. Create two more variables to keep the count. Okay, so count 1 is equal to 0, count 2 is equal to 0. We not be requiring this answer anymore. So suppose for the first one, okay, if s of I is not equal to expected 1, that means we are thinking that our string of this first type, and suppose we are expecting first here 0, but it is 1 there. So simply increment the 1, count 1, so that it will show one position is at the, means this is the value is wrong at that particular position. Now same thing for if s of I is not equal to expected 2. Now we are treating this second one string expected 2. You can simply add count 2 plus is equal to 1, and at last you can simply return minimum of count 1 comma count 2. Okay, so now try to run this and check if this works. Okay, so test cases has passed. Let's try to submit and check. Yeah, so our code has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.